Yes.
Sir, first thing, sir, number one thing is welcome to live session, and I'm feeling so happy to have you live here. Let me introduce it from my end, like whatever I'm telling you. Like it's been, sir, I think 8 to 9 years since we are friends on Facebook, and since I know you personally, like I have been reading your post, reading your all the things that you shared on your page. Okay, so I know many things about you since you have started, and how means since you have been EBIS, or since you have been into network marketing, I have been following you since then. Okay, so the thing is, the that from that moment to like this, you have transformed your life, like actually completely different, like we can say a different dimension, sir. Like if it's a 90-degree, then it's completely 180-degree right now. So the my first question goes like this. Means the first question that pops into my mind in the, I think, 2 months ago, sir, 2 to 3 months ago, this question came into my mind, that how this person can change from this, from network marketing to directly into a spirituality. Means what was your mindset, or what was your thought at that moment when you have taken this completely different decision, sir? I mean, completely uh, different decision, which is not, which is people think that how can this be possible. So what was your mindset behind this, and please tell me about this, sir.
When you say completely different decision, so is there any particular aspect of my life which makes you say that it's a complete different decision?
Yeah, sorry.
Is there any particular aspect of my life which you
Yeah,
see that it has changed a lot? So, when you say a complete different direction, so
yeah,
in what
yeah.
aspects? What you saw me before and what you see now, because of which you are asking this question?
Yeah, exactly. The thing is, sir, when I saw you, you were, when actually at that time also you were very peaceful person. You were calm person, no doubt. Actually, I don't know since when you have been practicing all those things, but when you were in network marketing, you were also good person. Actually, I'm talking about materialistic things, sir. In a
Hmm.
materialistic way, in a materialistic or in a financial way, you have means that at that time you used to live life like anything else, like very good in a dream life, we can say. Like right now also you are living a dream life, but in an internal way, right? That was external, means we can say, and this is internal, sir. So what was the shift, means what was the thing that made you change like this, sir?
First of all, I want to thank you, Rahul, for bringing in this question.
Yeah.
And I'm glad that you brought it up because I believe there are a lot of, like, I have been addressing approximately 2 million people in a year at that time. So I know
Okay.
that there are a lot of them which are having this question as well. So I'm glad to bring
Yeah.
it, answer to it. Well, first of all, if I tell you what I feel,
Yeah.
I don't feel I have anything has changed on one
Okay.
aspect, on one side. On another side, I feel everything has changed. So there is a paradox in here.
Okay.
Why I say any nothing has changed? Because for me, the I will not just use the word network marketing because that is again limit a box. I would say the business or the professional life in which I was making money and I was becoming very famous and all of those things. For
Hmm.
me, and that too was a very spiritual activity. For
Okay.
me, making money, uplifting people, which I was doing in that business, helping people to find their potential, to become their highest version, to follow their dreams. I feel this is one of the most spiritual job in the world as well.
Okay.
Making money is as spiritual as that.
Okay.
And as I made into this, and for you, as you can see that we in that time it was more outside. You are seeing the prosperity, you are seeing this rich life and everything in that business. I believe I live it more abandoned at this moment. I live more, much more richer life in this moment, not only internally but also outward. If you
Okay.
will ask me how, if you get to travel whole year round, to the most amazing places in the world, live with the people you love to live with, eat the finest food, live in nature, spend time in the forest, in the oceans, in the mountains, live in the nature, and nurture yourself as well as the other people around you. When you, if you want something, it is just available to you. You don't have a fear that how will it come, that I need to hoard or I need to just save money. Because I mean, I'm not against saving. Saving is a great thing, but not from the place of fear, not from the place of what will happen tomorrow or if there will be anything tomorrow or not. I know
Okay.
whatever I want, whatever I need, it will just come to me, and it always comes to me. So
Okay.
now I live in more of that bliss. Even that time I was doing that, and now I'm doing more. The only reason to make this shift was I felt that this platform was limiting the impact which I can make, because
Okay.
it was just a physical platform, and anything which we have on the planet has its own limitations, because we live in this three-dimensional world where we are limited by our mind. The platform was created by someone, and there were some people who were running the platform, and they could not. What I felt is that in this journey with the platform, I have come to a place where I could expand myself, and I felt that I could reach out to the whole world, and I could be impactful to the more lives on the planet. I could create more abundance for myself and for more people around the planet. And the platform was limiting how many people I can reach and what I can do. So
Okay.
it was necessary for me to move beyond it and to expand my journey. Today, I am working with people from all over the planet. At least there are 50, 52 countries to which for the people I am already taking workshops, I am taking retreats, and I am doing all of this stuff. Uh, and all of them are being nourished. There are people very professionals. There are people who are like psychologists, psychiatrists, even the the authors, entrepreneurs. All kind of people are reaching out, and I'm being blessed to be a medium to share with them how you can have the richness in both areas of your life. The apparently spiritual and material are not separate. They are all part of the one thing. It is only we who have made it like two different, look like two different things. The more inner peace you have, the more outer abundance, good health, good relationships you can have. And that
Okay.
is what was always my pursuit in this apparently, different life. But this was always there for me.
Okay. Means money is not the primary goal. Relationships and all other things is the primary goal for you at the time.
No, money is just a fuel. My
It's just
inner peace, my alignment with my higher self, my happiness is my primary goal.
okay. Okay. Fine.
Everything else follows. Why do we chase money? Because we believe that having money and buying that stuff will bring us happiness. But
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
does not
Exactly.
happen always, right?
Yeah.
We can buy thousands of stuff and still may not be happy, or we can buy nothing and still may be happy. So money is
Yeah.
just a tool. It's a fuel. You don't get panic when your car do not have a petrol, when it is finished, when it is like
Yeah.
empty. You just go and you fill. You know there is enough petrol available out there, and you can
Mhm.
always go to a pump and fill the petrol,
Yeah.
fill the gas.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
why is it not about money?
Exactly, sir. Exactly. So it means
Do you,
your goal was to find peace within.
yes, finding the satisfaction with peace within where you are right now, and everything else just follows you. You become like this magnet which attracts all the good stuff to you.
Yeah.
Do you store oxygen in your lungs because maybe tomorrow you will not get it? Do you do that?
No, no, exactly not, sir.
No, exactly. So why do we have to be afraid about money? Money,
Uh,
money just shows up, and that's what happens to me.
so, but
I
yeah, exactly, sir. But in the beginning, sir, what happens that insecurities that means whether this will happen or not, that gets so much into our mind, and that gets us distracted, sir, or that make us stop from doing whatever we must do actually. Like we should do this thing, but we are thinking about different thing. So why this is happen, sir?
Well, this is because we are coming across a lot of fear. We are
Yeah,
being programmed with the fear. And this is
yeah,
not only from this life, and this is not only from the media, which is of course one of the sources. But if you see, the fear is running rampant in our society from many generations, from many
yeah,
ancestors. It is just coming from from the grandfather to the father, from great grandfather to the grandfather. It is coming all the way down, and it is all being passed on to you since you are a child. You are
yeah,
being told that life is difficult.
yeah,
You are supposed to cry when you are born.
yeah,
Otherwise they make you cry. Why not you can laugh when you are born? My question is that. So this is the conditioning that, you are being made to live life in a certain way. So when you grow up, you start thinking that that is the way.
yeah. Okay,
And
okay.
and most of us never question it, because we love our parents, because we love the people around us, or we are supposed to love them. We are not supposed to question them. We are not supposed to question the religious beliefs. We are not supposed to question the other kind of beliefs, and
Kind
that's
of
why
things.
we just tend to live with it. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, it means we get used to of it, sir.
We get used to of it, or we just consider it as an obligation that we should follow it.
Yeah, okay, okay. Like we think this way, sir. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
we think this way, or we are told that we should think this way, and no other way is okay, and
Okay,
we,
fine. And
yeah,
we don't see people, actually, the one more thing, sir, we don't see people around us doing different things. So actually, our thinking never gets changes exactly. And so
yeah. But
that,
deep inside us, we all know that something is not okay, or something needs to change.
yeah,
This is not the way. When I was a child, I used to see people going and traveling in this local transportation, whether it is train or bus or whatever it is. I
yeah,
used to see them working in the shop, and I was 8, 10 years, 12 years old, and I was like, what is this life? I mean,
yeah,
where is life here? There are these relationships which are, or marriages made on the basis of this charts, and on the basis of bank balance, degree,
yeah.
job. I can't understand. It is one paradox to me that why? I mean, this is supposed to be about love, right?
Yeah.
So it is not like
Exactly, sir. Yeah. Actually, sir, I'm going to ask one or two question at the end of the session about relationships. But actually, with your story, I want to ask you a like similar question. Here, when did you all these things started? Means when all these things started in your mind, sir? Like we think we should think this way, we should follow this thing, we should be satisfied and peaceful. Is it happened after you join network marketing, or is it happened before you join network marketing? Means
see,
means
hmm.
when did exactly happen, sir? Like when we're how means is this happen in your college or school, or what was the person you are kind of, sir?
No, see, the network marketing itself is a very unorthodox business.
Yeah, okay, okay.
It is not an orthodox business. It's not a regular thing. Not everybody does it.
Yeah,
So
exactly, sir.
the
It's
reason I joined
particular.
that thing, because I always was thinking like this. I was
Huh.
like, this is not how life is supposed to be, and I was not. Uh, I was grateful. While I was grateful for the life which I have, for my
Okay.
family, for my parents, for whatever I knew, at the
Hmm.
same time I felt that something is not okay with the way people live life. And I did
Okay.
not want to live like that. I did not
Okay.
want to work like that. I did not want to have a relationship like that. I did not want to live in places like that. So I had this inner urge, inner question within me. I used to question it. And I am
Yeah.
thankful that I was not forced to live in that way, or rather when I was forced, I had the courage to challenge it. I had the courage to question it, and I decided that okay, I don't have answer, people around me don't have answer, but I will go and find it. So I just decided to seek the answer.
Okay. Stick to the answers. Actually, you got the answer, sir.
Well, that's my life now. I'm living with immense satisfaction. I will not change a thing in my life. I'm very grateful and satisfied with the life I'm living at the moment. Of course, it is improvising. It is getting more and more better at every moment, and I
Yeah.
know that it is going to be much more and much better as we move ahead. But I am
Yeah.
also satisfied from where I am. So both the things are there for sure.
That's perfect, sir. Actually, I'm seeing this from your end. So this made me in means think asking you all these questions. The question actually I wanted to also wanted to ask is means when did you take this decision, sir? Actually, what was the condition of your life that made you think this way? Means when did you means have you seen all kind of things then you took this decision, or this some these questions came into your mind suddenly? Means
No, when you
what
say which decision you are talking about here?
about the decisions? Actually, the decisions like you said that I should not live my life like this way. So this kind of questions I'm saying.
No, that was from very young age.
Okay, very
Uh,
young age. Like when you were
that
in
was from like even when I was 7, 8 years, I remember it. I was like, this is not okay. Like this is not how life is supposed to be. Something is not okay. And
okay,
even if it is okay for other people, I don't want to live like this. So I remember as early as 10, 12 years of age, I was sure I am not going to live life like this.
okay, okay, fine.
How people around me are living, you know.
Okay.
So
So that was your personal call.
yeah, that was my personal journey. Then I
Yeah.
believe life brought this business, the people and everything in my life. It came because universe always help you. Universe always supports you. So I met right people. I got right opportunity. I was led to the right places, and
Yeah.
then it only make it more stronger. You know, it made it more powerful, if I say in that way.
Exactly, sir. Right. The next question was the same. That you might have got people who might have told you that this is impossible. This won't be happen. Means this won't goes like this. So what was your means reply to them at the time?
I
Like
tell you,
you
it's
got
very
the right
funny.
people, sir. You got the right people. That's very perfect and that's very good. But in no, it doesn't happen with everyone. Na? Like I don't know whether it might happen with you also. So please share it with me.
It's very funny, Rahul. I was very fierce.
Okay.
I cannot really recall anybody having this courage to say me on my face that I was crazy. I
Okay.
would say it to myself.
Uh,
I would say to myself that I know I'm crazy. But
yeah.
nobody can say it to me, probably because I was very fierce and very strong about my idea and what I believe in. And I
Yeah.
see that when you are really clear, people are not having like they cannot really try to pull you down. They used to make fun of me. I remember incidents where people will talk behind my back. They will
Yeah.
make campaign behind my back. Literally, they will make a campaign behind my back against me. But
Okay.
no, not in front of me. And
Okay.
some of them told me after I accomplished things that I thought you will not be able to do it. I was not able to believe that it will happen. And I was like, I remember one conversation where a friend told me, right now he's working in Goldman Sachs, and he
Okay.
told me that I never thought that you will be able to become successful. You would be able to do it. I
Okay.
never thought for a moment that you would be able to do it.
Hmm.
And I said him, I never thought for a moment that I won't be able to do it.
That is the difference between what you think and how you think.
Exactly, you know.
Yeah.
So, and now there was this person from Citibank. She was working in the Citibank, and then she told me that I envy you. You know, I envy the life you live.
Okay.
She, she was like, I wish I had even a tiny bit of courage to live the life how you are living.
Hmm.
And I say, you are very courageous. And
Yeah.
this is important conversation. I told her, no, I'm sorry, you are wrong. I don't have any courage at all. And I tell again, I have no courage.
Okay.
I think it is courageous for someone to go to a job which they don't like, to work there from morning to night for whole month, whole year, to make the money they cannot enjoy, to live the
Yeah.
life they literally don't like. I maybe
Ex-
that is courage. But to follow my heart, to follow what makes me happy is not courageous. It is just natural thing.
yeah.
I
Which one
cannot
should
do it
follow?
another way. I
Yeah,
cannot do
exactly.
it another way.
Okay, but you told right point, sir. Whatever we do actually in a daily life, that is more courageous than we whatever we wanted to do actually, sir. It's very true, sir.
Uh, I could not get what you said. Come again.
Actually, whatever you just told me that the life we are living, like job we are doing, which we don't like, it is more
Yeah,
courageous than what we must follow, sir.
that's the thing, you know. I don't know if you call it courage or I don't know if you call it something else, but for me, this is just this doesn't fit the equation. You know, if something is off, if you are doing every day something which you don't love.
Yeah,
So
exactly. Yeah. So next question comes into my mind that people think of financial independence. Okay. People
yes,
think of financial independence. I'm talking about especially you. So they think in terms of lakhs and millions. Okay. So in your case, it's completely different. You didn't go in that way. Okay. So what
hmm,
was the reason behind this, sir? Means what was the reason exactly behind this? You don't chase a lot of things. Like people chase all these things, but you don't go this way. So what was your actually mindset behind this, sir?
what is financial independence?
Having, according to me, let me tell you, sir, having lots of time is like actually, according to me, is the financial independence, or having money is the financial independence, which will fulfill your dreams, sir. That is financial independence, according to me. But getting a lot of time, money, and satisfaction, if we get three things, time, money, and satisfaction, is the financial independence, we can say. So but still people are not satisfied, so they are earning in lakhs and millions and all those things. So this is the thing, that where should they stop, or where should we think we should stop, and we should enjoy our life.
Well, if you
Or
think
it
your own
changes with person,
definition,
sir.
yeah, yeah.
Or it changes with a person, that some people some people stop at the beginning, some people stop, like they don't know when to stop, sir. So what's your take on this, sir?
Just give me a moment. I'll reach out. I share with you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I see your own financial independence decision,
Yeah.
according to you, independence of time, independence
Yeah.
of money,
Yeah.
independence
Satisfaction.
of
Satisfaction.
satisfaction.
Yeah.
I have the abundance of satisfaction. I
Okay.
have the abundance of time, and
Yeah.
whatever I want to do, I have money for it.
Okay. So that is independence. Means
That
you
is
are independent.
freedom. I
Yeah,
am
that is
financially
freedom, sir.
free.
Yeah.
Financial freedom, I would use the word financial freedom because that resonates with me. And I used to think that financial freedom means you have enough money for whatever you want to do.
Okay.
But
Okay.
then you realize this is a trap. You
Yeah.
can never have enough money, even if you are a multi-billionaire, because there is always more that you can buy. There is always more money that you can, have. There is no limit. It is infinite.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So now I understand that financial freedom means that no matter what it is that you want to buy, no matter where you want to go, no matter what you want to do, you have the
Okay.
money and the resources and the time and energy for that. And
Okay.
today, understanding what I understand with the help of this my spiritual journey and understanding what abundance means. One of my most popular course is about abundance. That's my
Okay.
signature course, which I and workshops and retreats which I take. And
Okay.
and seeing that Abundance is getting into this abundance frequency now. If I want something, I can manifest it like this. I
Okay.
just think of it and I can get it. No amount of money, no amount of, I mean, time or no amount of resources are difficult or not or hard for me to get. I can just get it. If I want it, I have it. And I think
Oh,
that is financial freedom. That is
okay.
true financial freedom, that you can manifest, you can have money the moment you want it, as
Uh,
much as you want it, whenever you want it. You can have the resources, have people, time, energy, and satisfaction in all the process. I believe if that is the definition of financial independence and freedom, I have it all,
okay. Okay.
and with satisfaction.
Okay, with satisfaction. Okay,
So,
that's perfect, sir. Actually, this was according to me that financial independence. The definition is according to me. But if you have any different definition, you can share it that with me also. No problem.
no, absolutely. But that's the thing. With this definition, like, how do you accomplish the financial freedom? How do you accomplish that financial independence? You can't do it by hustling. Hustle
Yeah,
is a very popular word. You
yeah,
keep on
right now.
hustling, and
Hmm.
what happens? You know, now we are living in this pandemic time.
Hmm.
What happened to your hustle? If you are thinking in the old way, if you are thinking in a very materialistic way, you
Hmm.
just can't do anything.
Exactly.
But when you understand the spiritual principles of abundance and having enough all the time, for me, life has only gotten better after this coronavirus thing. It has only gotten even more better. It has only got even more nourished. I'm only making more abundance. I'm only living it more rich.
Yeah.
Because my abundance, my prosperity, my financial freedom, my time, energy does not depend on the outside world, does not
Yeah.
depend on the economy, does not depend on the banking system, does not depend on company, on anybody's salary, on what other person in the world is doing. My
Okay.
financial freedom is now depending on my alignment, replacing the word hustle with alignment, my alignment with the divine, my
Yeah.
alignment with my higher self, my alignment with my inner voice. I listen
Okay.
to it, I follow it, and I take the inspired action. Whatever I feel inspired to do, I do it. I talk to the person I feel called to talk to. I make a service or a product which I feel inspired to make, and then there are people standing in queue to buy it, and there is money. So on my investment, I invest in the places where it just multiplies, in a
So
magical way. So it is
yeah.
there,
Okay.
it just comes.
Means, yeah, exactly, sir. You're absolutely right. Means you are thinking in terms of abundance. So everything you get abundantly. Exactly.
Yes,
You're thinking in this way. So actually, sir, I used to think, sir, that there is very limited things in the universe. Even if I know that there are unlimited resources, unlimited things that you will get. Means abundantly, you will get everything. But still, people like me or people, some of the people used to think. Yes, I used to also think that this is limited thing, so I should grab it right now. This is limited. I should grab it. This is the way of people think, or this is the way I used to think. So abundantly thinking is the actually 2 to 3 days ago I got this thought in my mind that one should think very abundantly. So then only we can get anything into your life. And right now I am thinking right now I am thinking abundantly. Have you
yeah,
heard it?
right now. No, can you repeat this part? Right now?
Right now, I have just got cleared from your talk, sir. I the thought in my mind that one should think abundantly, and you just cleared my that thought only. So it happens, sir. Okay, that's perfect, sir. The next question is
But just
also
want to
very
add one thing. Just want to add
yeah,
one thing.
yeah.
Those who think scarcity, I don't even, I have forgotten how to say this word actually. Those who
Scarcity.
think scarcely, Yeah,
Hmm.
scarcely, those who are scarcity mindset,
Yeah.
they live in that. And that is the reality for them. They have to struggle for everything.
Yeah.
So you see, they
Exactly, sir.
manifest for them scarcity is real because they think that, so they have that.
Yeah,
But if you
exactly,
think
sir.
abundantly, you have
Yeah.
abundance as well. So as simple as that it works.
Yeah, means the main problem is only at your mind level, sir. I mean, in your thinking level only, right,
This
sir?
is this is the machine of creation.
Yeah,
You can create anything out of this. You
yeah,
input a thought and you
yeah,
you output a manifestation, a creation.
yeah.
Sometimes you have to take inspired actions, sometimes you have to take no action, sometimes you have to take many inspired actions. But this
Yeah.
is the machine where you enter the thought and then the manifestation, then the results come out. You enter scarcity, you
Mhm.
find empty bank accounts.
Yeah, exactly.
You enter abundance, you always have enough. So you
Yeah.
just
It's
decide
just
that.
the mind game, sir. I think according to yeah, I mean, according to you also, it's a mind game. Everything is means whatever we think we can achieve. We all know this, but we
Whatever
have
we think and we feel,
yeah,
we can achieve.
whatever we think, we feel, and then we can achieve. That's more important. Feeling is one more part. Yeah.
Yeah, feeling is the fluent. Yeah.
Yeah, one. So the next question goes like this. You have seen lots of success into your life, and you have seen lots of, I don't know, but failure might come into the way to reach the success. Okay. So what the both things have taught you, importantly?
I think this may not be a conversation which many people will enjoy.
Yeah.
I don't think I have had a failure in my life. And why I say people may not enjoy it, I am
Yeah.
saying it to the other listeners. You
Yeah.
you may want to stop the video, but I would suggest you to watch the video.
Yeah.
For what I live, it can be failure for many other people, but for me, it has never been a failure
How, sir?
because I am too busy to look for it. I don't
Okay.
look for it. I just keep doing my task. I keep doing what I want to do. I keep focusing on what is really important for me.
Yeah.
It does not work out. It takes time. It
Yeah.
it goes a little and then comes back to zero. Other people think that way, but I don't
Yeah.
think it ever comes back to zero because even if you have made a progress and again back to the same point, you have made
Okay.
a progress inside. You have more experience. You know better how to run it. So it is not
Okay.
zero. It is still a progress. So for me, I am always making progress, no matter what is the outside result, no matter how other people see me.
Okay. So
Once upon
that
a time, I was addressing 2 million people in a year, and now
okay.
I am addressing 2,000 people in a year. And I am more successful than what I was doing back then. Because if
Okay.
you will think, if you only see by number of 2 million and 2,000, you will be not able to see the success. But
Okay.
if you see by the who I am now and what
Mhm.
I speak now and my
Mhm.
quality of content,
Yeah. That is
if
completely
you
different.
listen,
Hmm.
in 5 minutes, the life is being transformed.
Yeah.
5 minutes,
Okay.
the life is being transformed. In an eye contact, a transformation is taking place,
Yeah.
which is different from what I can do with 2 million people. And if you think about some of the greatest people in the history,
Yeah.
Zarathustra, he was
Yeah.
not famous when he was alive. Nietzsche did not sell a book when he was alive.
Yeah.
Van Gogh sold only one painting when he was alive.
Yeah.
But they are some of the greatest authors, thinkers, artists in the world.
Hmm.
So you cannot measure the success by the appearance.
Yeah.
Somebody at the time of Van Gogh will say, "What does this guy do?" Also, is more famous now than he was when he was alive.
Yeah. Okay.
So it is only the number of people who follow you. I mean, you know about the Instagram celebrities and even the so-called real celebrities in inverted comma.
Yeah. Yeah.
Most
Yeah.
of
That
them
makes sense.
are, I will not want, if they pay me, even then I will not watch their content.
Okay.
but they have a million followers. Some of the
Yeah.
greatest actors and
Yeah.
actresses in India, in Hollywood, especially
Hmm.
in India, they make shit. They
Hmm.
make garbage,
Yeah,
literally
it's
garbage.
literally garbage. We
And
can say
still
that.
they have the followership. They
Hmm.
have the so-called money.
It's completely different game, sir. Actually, people want to see the content like this, and then the content got produced, no, sir. If I'm not wrong.
Exactly. But if I am able to reach 200 people and who are going to be who are becoming the leaders of the future of Earth, who are
Yeah.
creating the new Earth, I think
Yeah.
it is more enriching than addressing 2 million people who
Hmm.
are just
Just the,
crowd.
yeah, just the crowd. Yeah, exactly, sir. Right.
So yeah,
So the success have taught you also, and the failure taught. Hmm.
my strategy has changed. Before I wanted to address large number of people
Yeah.
on the bottom line.
Yeah.
Now I want to address those people who are the creators who lead these people.
Okay. Okay. Who leads? Who
So
will lead the 2 million people later
who,
on life?
who lead 2 million people, who lead 20 million people. Because
Ah.
I believe the change has to come from top down.
Yeah.
So now idea is now to, to develop the cream. And
Yeah.
that's what I am doing. And that way I believe it is being immensely successful. So maybe at some point I would be totally behind the scene. Nobody would
Yeah.
know that I know I am doing something, but the
Yeah.
task is being
Will be
done.
completely off the screen.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what I will do tomorrow. But there is a possibility that someday I would be like totally behind the scene.
Okay, okay, sir. Fine, sir. This is the perfect and very intellectual and deep answer, sir. I got it. I mean, I got satisfied answer with this. So can I ask you next question, sir?
My desire is not to satisfy you. My desire is to speak my truth. But I'm happy if it satisfied you.
Yeah, it's satisfied, sir. Actually, with the abundant talk also, from the beginning also, I'm actually going to re-listen all those things which we have been which we had talked. Next question is this: the people who want to, like, there are people who want, means, who want to get financial independent and all those things satisfaction in terms of peace, love, and harmony in life, right? So when one should walk on this path, sir?
What?
When one should walk on this path, sir? Like when one should
Uh,
go, like the people who wants to do both, sir. Like they want to get financial independent, and the second thing, they want to be satisfied in terms of love, in terms of peace, in terms of harmony, in
health,
both. Harmony. Okay.
health also.
Yeah, in the health also. Yeah, exactly right, sir. So when one should walk on this path, sir? The
Okay, so
people people are actually distracted, or we can say disturbed into their mind, that they don't know when to start it, and they are still running after chasing different things. I mean, you got to know what I wanted to say.
no,
So
no.
the what's
I want to ask you. My question. My answer is a question.
Yeah, okay.
When should you start breathing?
You should start breathing. This is not the question, sir. We have to breathe, sir, to live.
I mean, when do you start breathing?
When did I start breathing? From, like, when I
You
born,
breathe
I
all the
started.
time. You
Yeah,
breathe
all
all
the
the
time.
time. You breathe now, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly, sir.
That that's my
Yeah,
answer.
okay. Like when you feel that one has to stop this, and one should start doing something, means one should start doing this, then you have to do this.
My friend, dude, come on. This is not a choice when to start.
So,
It is now. You don't choose between these two things. It is
okay,
not two different things. Finances or love, health, harmony are not two different things. They
yeah,
don't go without good without each other. It all
okay,
comes together. You
yeah,
start for it now. You start for all of it together now. Whenever you watch this video or wherever you are, you
yeah,
don't wait for some time. When you ask me when people should start it,
yeah.
you don't ask this question about breathing, do you? When should I
No.
start breathing?
Yeah.
So why are you asking when do you start living?
One should live actually. Exactly.
You don't wait for future to live. What else are you supposed to do?
Yeah, exactly, sir. Right. This is not the question actually. Right, exactly. One should start it because it's very necessary. So we have to start it. Exactly, sir. Right.
It is not a choice. You
Yeah.
don't choose about it. If you can choose whether to breathe or not, then you can choose whether to live or
Or
only
not.
make money.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
so I don't see a choice there.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe did you wanted to ask that? Like when you asked when do you start, did you mean anything else? Is there any other question? Was it like because time thing does not make sense? Like you start now. You don't wait for tomorrow. Yeah.
There are actually my question meant to like this, sir. There are people who is doing everything, sir. No problem, but they are not satisfied with their these things, sir. Which I just told. Peace means they are working hard, but they are not peaceful. They are working hard, but they are not being loved, or they don't love. They are working hard, but they are not in harmony with anything. So when one should stop doing this and start doing these things, which is very important.
Now,
Yeah, now is
now,
the yeah,
now is
now
the
is
answer. And now in this pandemic is the perfect time. But even if
yeah,
there was not a pandemic, still it
yeah,
was a perfect time. You know,
yeah. Still
every moment and
hmm,
every day when you are not doing this, you are
yeah,
not living, you are dead.
yeah, exactly, sir. Okay, yes,
So now is the time to live. Now is the time to start coming into the center, coming in the harmony, coming into
yeah,
the peace, and then make money. Who is stopping you? Make billions of dollars. Good thing. Because the one who is in alignment with his higher self, one who is connected to the God within him or
yeah,
her, they are if they make $1 billion,
yeah,
great. That
yeah.
$1 billion will be used in a better way. That
In a better,
$1 billion will be used to make life better on this planet. So now
yeah,
you come here. Now
yeah,
take a deep breath, put a pause on what you are doing,
yeah,
and see if this is
yeah.
nourishing you, if this is nurturing you, if this is bringing you the happiness and satisfaction which you are
Yeah.
looking for.
Exactly, sir. Exactly, and that earning will be used in a very good manner, sir. Otherwise,
It will be
people are
fun.
earning.
It will be like laughing and dancing and making money. Money is
Yeah,
supposed to be making fun,
yeah.
have you seen a bird working hard to get his food?
No, sir. No, absolutely not.
Uh, have you seen any animal trying really hard to get food or a seed trying really hard to get sunlight?
No, no, sir. No. It
Only
happens
humans do
naturally, sir.
this.
Yeah, it
Only
happens
humans
naturally.
do that.
Yeah,
Only
yeah, yeah.
humans do that. Because humans, most of the humans are not in alignment, not
Yeah,
in connected to the source. Otherwise, the sunlight light is going to come on them.
yeah,
The food comes to you. Farmers work in the field, they leave the grains, and the
yeah,
birds pick it up. It is
yeah.
as simple as that.
As
So
simple as that.
humans, you do the farming not because if you don't do it, you will not get the food. The food will still grow in the wild, but you do it because it's fun.
Yeah,
Farming is
yeah.
fun, or
Fun.
making iPhone is fun. Making developing software is fun. Then you will create something amazing which will change the world, like many of the great inventors have done.
So one should
Change
actually, yeah, exactly, sir. Means one should actually focus on creating, changing things, and the money and everything else will automatically follow.
focus on fun.
Sorry,
One should focus on fun.
fun. Actually,
Make
yeah,
them happy.
yeah. Okay, one should
When you
focus on
when
fun. Yeah,
you make you happy, you follow the path of your heart. You follow the path of your soul. If it
yeah,
is making you happiness, even if you don't know where it is going to lead, even if you don't understand what is going to happen, but when you keep following your happiness, when you keep following your bliss, when you keep following your fun, it makes the way. It finds the way. It takes you to the way.
Yeah,
So that is the path. Fun is the
that is,
path.
yeah, this
Steve
is fun is the path, sir.
Steve Wozniak had fun working with computers. That's how he made Apple computers.
Yeah, yeah, exactly, sir. I've
Apple,
just recently watched the Jobs movie, sir.
yeah. So anybody who made something great, they are having fun doing that.
Yeah, anything that you do, have fun, and everything else will follow. This is the end of the talk. Okay, fine. So the
Do something
so,
and having fun in doing it.
yeah, having fun in doing it. Okay, sir. Okay, fine, fine. So the next question goes like this: what do you do to live such a healthy lifestyle? Means, what kind of actions do you take in a regular basis, sir? Like practices you do.
What come again? Like
Like means the practices you do to live such a lifestyle, sir.
now, see, if I tell you about this practice, those
Yeah.
who are listening, they will say, okay, I will do this practice, so then I will also live a healthy life, which is not the
This is not going to happen.
that should not
Right,
happen.
sir. Yeah.
What is good for me, what works for me, may not work for you. So
Yeah.
you have to understand the concept behind it.
Okay.
Why I do that practice
Yeah.
and why I do any practice which I do is that that practice feels good to me.
Okay. Okay.
It is fun for me. I
Hmm.
don't do yoga. I think
Okay.
I may never do yoga,
Why,
but
sir?
I am fit. I don't know, it doesn't sound fun to me.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine, sir. Yeah. Exactly. It
And
not
it's a great
like.
exercise. And I love to watch people doing it, but I
Ah.
don't do it. I'm like,
Okay.
okay, yoga good stuff.
Yeah.
But
But
I
you
like
don't do it.
Qigong.
Okay.
I love Qigong. I resonate with it. It is fun for me. So
Yeah.
Qigong is a practice which I like. But I don't do it regularly, but I like to do it sometimes. The only
Yeah.
practice which I do regularly is the
Yeah.
practice of gratitude and of appreciation.
Yeah.
Every day I write or speak at least 5 to 10 things which I appreciate in my life. And I'm
Okay.
doing this practice since 2008.
Okay. Okay. 2008. Okay. Fine. Since
So
when almost 10 to I think
12 years.
12 years. 12 years, sir.
And the more I do practice what I appreciate, what I am grateful for in my life, I have
Yeah.
more bigger list to appreciate. So
Yeah.
it keeps
Means you,
going on and on.
yeah, you think in terms of possibilities, sir. So everything else follows, right? Okay, sir.
Yeah,
You
what I
think,
like about my life, what is good
yeah,
in my life or what is good around me. Ah, this is a beautiful tree. Oh, that's a beautiful car. That's a
yeah,
beautiful house. And then I land into that place. I happen to go into that place or I happen to have that house.
yeah,
Magic happens when you appreciate. Trust me, try it.
yeah.
It's the most amazing magic you can have.
Trust the process, sir. Yeah, exactly. Means we have to trust the process and we have to feel grateful for everything around us.
Yeah, it is good to be grateful for everything around you, but if you are not able to be grateful for everything, you can still find something to be grateful for.
Grateful for,
That
exactly.
will
Yeah,
start the process. And
yeah,
every day, find and write down
yeah.
something which you like about your life.
Yeah, exactly, sir. Right. So they
That's
are,
what,
you got this right point, sir. We have to find, even if there is nothing into your life, we have to find and we have to be grateful for it. Because I have also seen
never
people,
nothing.
yeah, exactly, sir. I have seen people complaining a lot into their life and a lot of complaints they do into their life, like their job, their parents, their money, everything. But they are not, and when I look at to them, they are not doing anything to change them. I mean, they are not doing single thing to change that thing. But we
But they
can
are
start
also,
by being grateful, right? Right, sir?
we can start with simple by looking for what we appreciate. In fact, those who are complaining, they are also doing a very amazing thing in life. They are doing great manifestation. They are manifesting more things to complain about.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
They are
yeah.
still working with the law. They are still working with the universe. The more
Yeah.
you complain, you have a bigger list to complain, and you have abundance of complaints.
Yeah, exactly, sir. I want
So
to add one thing, sir, here. Like
yeah,
I think I have heard the quote. whether you can do it or you can't do it, you are right.
You are right. Yeah.
Like this
Yeah.
way. Yeah,
So,
exactly.
yeah.
Okay, fine, sir. This question actually you answered, sir. Actually, the next question was ki, what was being successful mean to you? I think, but you have answered in earlier. You answered this question. So even if you want to add anything, you can add this. Actually, the question was, what is being successful mean to you?
Being successful, first of all, I don't give a fuck about being successful.
Okay, fine.
But still, if you
But
want to
still,
ask
if you
me
want
what
to
is
add
being,
anything, sir, you can add. I got
yeah,
the
being
answer from the
successful
conversation.
means to me is living a 360-degree life.
Okay. In terms, sir, can you please
Yeah.
specify?
Your your health, your
Yeah,
relationship, your
yeah,
intimacy,
yeah,
love, money, work, place you live, people you are friends with, people you interact with,
yeah.
sexuality, sex, everything, all areas
Everything.
of your life, food, water, air, everything should be satisfying, should be nurturing. You know, you should be living in this place of eternal bliss.
Okay,
Wow,
fine.
wow, wow.
This is
That's
the
a, yeah.
yeah. That is the
That
perfect.
if you could speak wow 100 times in a day,
Yeah,
I think it is you are pretty close to being successful. But if you could speak
100%.
wow every second, then you are more successful.
Yeah, I just wrote it down, sir. The wow is very important thing. That if you speak wow to 100 times in a day or 10 times in a day, that's the successful life we can
You
say.
are making
Exactly.
good progress. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, sir. Right. I got it.